size matters. But just like hair, big isn't necessarily better. And making your margins skinny legends isn't appealing either. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to quickly adjust your margins to achieve an optimal balance between white space and room for you to write your resume content. Ideally, you'd be starting with a blank page and then set your margins before you start writing your resume. But if you're like Michael here, you may have been scrambling to get your resume ready after your boss didn't return your call and you had to drive 2 hours just to express some concerns to him, and then you quit, but then you started your own paper company. So here's how to change your margins in your resume. Ideally, what we want to go for is 1.5 centimeters all the way around. This really gives us that nice balance between white space and room to write. 1.5 centimeters is about 0.4 inches. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go to the page layout menu and then to margins and custom margins. And we're going to set the top, bottom, left, and right margins at 1.5 centimeters. And so we're just going to type 1.5 into each of the fields here. Assuming that you have centimeters, if it shows as inches, you'll put 0.4. And then you're going to click OK. And so this shrinks the margins to 1.5 centimeters. At first it was 2.54. Now we're at 1.5. But what happened with our dates? So if you remember one of the previous videos, I showed you how to make your dates flush with the right-hand margin. Now we need to correct this and make sure that the dates are back on our new, smaller, slightly more narrow margin. And so what we need to do is we need to take this backwards L right tab and just drag it against our new margin. And that fixed those right up. So that's really just how easy it is to set your margin that will give you an optimal amount of white space as well as room to actually write your resume.